Whether you liked her, disliked her, agree with her, or disagree with her, our prayer is still the same. We hope she came and repented and came to the Lord before it was too late. However, she worked for the kingdom of darkness.
She did.
She appointed by
Bill Clinton.
Bill Clinton. Did Bill really appoint her? Because we all know Bill didn't run the White House. Hillary did. Hillary did. Hillary put her in. We all know who Hillary and what Hillary is. There's a reason why she was put in that position to begin with, Chris, is to protect the pedophilia, to make it normalized, to protect abortion. We all know that abortion is a sacrifice to their god called Moloch or Baal. Baal's a very violent entity. It feeds off the blood of the innocent.
Come on.
She's protecting these. She was put in place as a protection mechanism, as a kingdom of darkness watchman on the wall, if you will, whatever you want to call it. I'm not going to sit here and fluff it up. I know she's gone. I'm not saying anything different I wouldn't have said if she was still here.
That's right.
The fact of the matter is, she worked for the kingdom of darkness. Some people are calling her a pioneer. She was a pioneer for the kingdom of darkness. That's the bottom line, period.